If you are driving and you see animals standing near the edge of the road, you should A. Speed up to scare them away. B. Slow down and proceed with caution. C. Swerve to avoid hitting them. Correct answer, B. Slow down and proceed with caution. To turn left from a one-way street onto a one-way street, start from A. The far right lane. B. The center lane. C. The lane closest to the left curb. Correct answer, C. The lane closest to the left curb. When you park on a hill with the vehicle facing uphill and there is no curb, you should A. Turn the wheels sharply towards the side of the road. B. Keep the wheels straight ahead. C. Turn the wheels sharply away from the side of the road. Correct answer, A. Turn the wheels sharply towards the side of the road. The speed limit in a school zone where children are present is A. 25 miles per hour. B. 20 miles per hour. C. 15 miles per hour. Correct answer, A. 25 miles per hour. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic light is flashing yellow. You should A. Slow down and cross the intersection carefully. B. Stop before entering the intersection. C. Proceed with caution but do not stop. Correct answer, A. Slow down and cross the intersection carefully. Which of these statements is true about driving and taking medications? A. Over-the-counter medications cannot impair your driving ability. B. Any medication is safe if prescribed by a doctor. C. Most medications can impair your driving ability. Correct answer, C. Most medications can impair your driving ability. You are driving in the far right lane of a 4-lane freeway and you see thick broken white lines on the left side of your lane. You are driving in A. A special lane for slow-moving vehicles. B. The carpool lane and must merge into the next lane. C. An exit lane. Correct answer, C. An exit lane. You want to make a right turn at an upcoming intersection? You should slow down and A. Avoid driving in the bicycle lane. B. Move toward the left side of your lane. C. Signal for 100 feet before turning. Correct answer, C. Signal for 100 feet before turning. When you see a red stop sign, you should stop and A. Check traffic in all directions before proceeding. B. Let all vehicles that arrive before or after you go first. C. Check traffic behind you. Correct answer, A. Check traffic in all directions before proceeding. The California Basic Speed Law says you must A. Never drive faster than posted speed limits. B. Never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. C. Always drive at the same speed as traffic around you. Correct answer, B. Never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. At night, if an oncoming vehicle fails to dim its high beams, you should A. Look toward the right edge of your lane. B. Look straight ahead until your vision clears. C. Look toward the left edge of your lane. Correct answer, A. Look toward the right edge of your lane. Which of the following is true about roadways on bridges and overpasses in cold, wet weather? A. They tend to freeze before the rest of the road does. B. They tend to freeze after the rest of the road does. C. They do not freeze because they are made of concrete. Correct answer, A. They tend to freeze before the rest of the road does. When you change lanes or merge with another lane, you A. Have the right of way. B. Should first stop and check for cross traffic. C. Need at least a 4-second gap in traffic. Correct answer, C. Need at least a 4-second gap in traffic. When you see a roadwork ahead sign, you should A. Brake and be prepared to stop. B. Slow down and watch for road construction workers and equipment. C. Drive through the zone as quickly as possible. Correct answer, B. Slow down and watch for road construction workers and equipment. If there is no crosswalk and you see a pedestrian crossing your lane, you should A. Make sure the pedestrian sees you before proceeding. B. Cautiously drive around the pedestrian. C. Stop and let the pedestrian finish crossing. Correct answer, C. Stop and let the pedestrian finish crossing. If you are being tailgated, you should A. Increase your speed to increase the distance between you and the tailgater. B. Slow down to allow the tailgater to pass. C. Move into the left lane to let the tailgater pass. Correct answer, B. Slow down to allow the tailgater to pass. When passing another vehicle, it is safe to return to your lane if you A. Cannot see the vehicle directly to your right. B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. C. Have passed the other vehicle's front bumper. Correct answer, B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. If you are involved in a minor collision with a parked vehicle and cannot find the owner, you must A. Leave a note on the vehicle and report the accident without delay to the city police or CHP. B. Report the accident immediately to the local police. C. Return to the scene later to see if the owner has returned. Correct answer, A. Leave a note on the vehicle and report the accident without delay to the city police or CHP. When you see a yellow arrow, it means A. The protected turning time period is ending. B. You should speed up to make the turn before the light changes. C. You have the right of way to turn. Correct answer, A. The protected turning time period is ending. Which of these statements is true about motorcycles? A. Motorcycles are less affected by wind and rain than passenger vehicles. B. Motorcycles should be followed at a greater distance. C. Motorcycles are slower and stop slower than expected. Correct answer, B. Motorcycles should be followed at a greater distance. When you enter traffic from a full stop, for example, pulling away from the curb, you A. Should drive slower than other traffic for 200 feet. B. Need a large enough gap to get up to the speed of traffic. C. Should wait until your lane is moving. Correct answer, B. Need a large enough gap to get up to the speed of traffic. You must file a report of traffic accident occurring in California, SR1, with DMV within 10 days if you A. Fail to pay your registration fees within 90 days. B. Are involved in a collision and there is an injury. C. Plan on being out of the state for more than 30 days. Correct answer, B. Are involved in a collision and there is an injury. A safety zone is a specially marked area for passengers to get on or off buses or trolleys. You may not drive through a safety zone. A. At any time for any reason. B. When a bus or trolley is present. C. Only when a bus or trolley is present. Correct answer, A. At any time for any reason. You are driving on a one-way street. You may turn left onto another one-way street only if A. A sign permits the turn. B. Traffic on the street moves to the right. C. Traffic on the street moves to the left. Correct answer, C. Traffic on the street moves to the left. When driving in fog, snow, or rain, you should use A. High beam headlights, B. Low beam headlights, C. Parking lights. Correct answer, B. Low beam headlights. When passing a bicyclist, you should A. Blast your horn to alert the bicyclist of your presence. B. Move as far left as possible in your lane to give extra room. C. Pass in the same lane, giving at least 3 feet of space. Correct answer, C. Pass in the same lane, giving at least 3 feet of space. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer, B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. When making a right turn, you should A. Signal and turn immediately. B. Signal and reduce your speed. C. Turn immediately without signaling. Correct answer, B. Signal and reduce your speed. Which of these statements is true about driving and taking medications? A. Over-the-counter medications cannot impair your driving ability. B. Any medication is safe if prescribed by a doctor. C. Even over-the-counter medications can impair your driving ability. Correct answer, C. Even over-the-counter medications can impair your driving ability. You want to turn left at an upcoming corner. Give the right-of-way to A. All approaching vehicles. B. Oncoming vehicles also turning left. C. Pedestrians on the sidewalk waiting for a walk signal. Correct answer, A. All approaching vehicles. You may not park your vehicle. A. On the side of the freeway in an emergency. B. Next to a red painted curb. C. Within 100 feet of an elementary school. Correct answer, B. Next to a red painted curb. Which of these vehicles must stop before crossing railroad tracks? A. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. B. Motorhomes or pickup trucks towing a boat trailer. C. Any vehicle with 3 or more axles or weighing more than 4,000 pounds. Correct answer A. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. You may legally block an intersection. A. During rush hour traffic. B. Under no circumstances. C. When you entered the intersection on the green light. Correct answer, B. Under no circumstances. To make a right turn at the corner, you A. May turn wide into any lane in the intersection. B. Must merge into the bicycle lane before turning. C. Should only merge into the bicycle lane if you stop before turning. Correct answer, B. Must merge into the bicycle lane before turning. The speed limit for a school zone where children are present is A. 25 miles per hour, B. 20 miles per hour, C. 15 miles per hour. Correct answer, A. 25 miles per hour. When parking your vehicle parallel to the curb on a level street, A. Your front wheels must be turned toward the street. B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. C. One of your rear wheels must touch the curb. Correct answer, B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. At intersections, crosswalks, and railroad crossings, you should always A. Stop, listen, and proceed cautiously. B. Look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. C. Slowly pass vehicles that seem to be stopped for no reason. Correct answer, B. Look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. Which of these statements is true about large trucks? A. They take longer to stop than passenger vehicles. B. They all have air brakes which allow them to stop quickly. C. They are more maneuverable than passenger vehicles. Correct answer, A. They take longer to stop than passenger vehicles. Which of the following statements is true about blind spots? A. They are eliminated if you have one outside mirror on each side of the vehicle. B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. C. Blind spots can be checked by looking in your rearview mirrors. Correct answer, B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. When you tailgate other drivers, drive close to their rear bumper. A. You can frustrate the other drivers and make them angry. B. Your actions cannot result in a traffic citation. C. You help reduce traffic congestion. Correct answer, A. You can frustrate the other drivers and make them angry.